Welcome back to my channel. I am Ananya and you are watching me on Ananya the Superwoman vlog. This is the Science is Fun series, episode number 5. So today's topic is method of separations of different mixtures. So mixtures can be solid with solid substance, solid with liquid, liquid with liquid, or else liquid with gaseous mixture, or maybe a gas with another gaseous mixture. So let's begin today's class. I will show you different methods of separations of mixtures. So let's start today's first experiment. That is number 1 experiment. So here I have a mixture of solid and solid substance. So first process is the hand picking, where I will pick up the different substance from this part and throw it into this bowl. So let's start. So by this hand picking process, I can separate easily the two different solid substances. Next, going to the second experiment. Process is winnowing and threshing. So threshing is mainly done by the farmers, where in the cultivation field, the farmer used to use this type of threshing and winnowing process to separate the dust particles from the paddy or wheat, etc. So let's check. By this process, farmers can separate husk from the grains, and this is known threshing process. Show you the third experiment, which is winnowing. So I have here some nuts, and let's break the shells. Dipping this inside and shaking this, so you can see the lighter part is throwing in this bowl very easily, and it can separate the shells from the nut. So very easily we can separate these two by this process of winnowing. Next, let's talk about the fourth separation. Here I have some rice, and with this rice, it is mixed with some particles I can see. So let's separate by a magnet. So here I have a magnet, a strong magnet. I am holding this magnet near to these particles, and it is easily separated by magnet. So any kind of magnetic substance can be separated by a magnet from another substance which is not a magnetic. Now I am showing you another experiment which is known as sieving. So here I have a sieve, and there is a little flour mixed with some nuts. So I am just taking a little of flour and shaking this sieve and separating the different size of particles. So it can easily separate the fine flour from this different greater size of particles very easily. This is called the sieving process. I hope all of you are enjoying this show. Let me show you the different kind of separation of mixtures of solid versus liquid. So I have a glass of water, and here I have some raw rice. So let's take 1 spoon of raw rice into this liquid water and mix it very well. So after mixing this solid and liquid substance, just keep it aside for a minute, and you can see very easily there it is sedimented particles of rice at the bottom of the glass, and the clear water is on the above of this sedimentation. So we can easily decant the water to another glass. So I am pouring this liquid water and transferring it into another glass very easily. So by this process we can easily separate the solid and liquid substance which is heterogeneous in nature. So I have the rice here and the clear water in this glass. Another experiment that is called the filtration, where we get two parts. One is residue, another one is called the filtrate. So let me show you this solution of solid and liquid substance, and let me pour into this So you can see we can easily separate this liquid and solid particles by a funnel, and here I am using a paper, but we have to use a filter paper in the laboratory as I am doing from home. So I am showing you just the steps. So now you can see the filtrate is here in this glass and the residue is left over in this paper. So this process is known as filtration. By this process in the laboratory we can separate the heterogeneous mixture very easily, and this is one of the important process of separation of mixture. Another experiment which is the immiscible liquid. That immiscible liquid where we can take oil and water. So I don't have the separating funnel right now in my home, so I am taking a bottle and I have made this cap like this as a separating funnel. Now I am putting little oil into this water. So I am taking the oil from my kitchen and adding to it. So now you can see that water and oil cannot miscible. So it is known as immiscible liquid. So by this technique of separating funnel, we can easily separate the water and oil from this mixture. So now I am pouring this liquid water. Now everybody can check, this liquid water is almost in the glass and the remaining oil is in the bottle. So easily by this technique we can separate the immiscible liquid mixture. So oil and water mixture we can easily separate. So when the entire water transfer into this glass, I will stop pouring this water into this glass and remaining oil will remain in that bottle. So almost done. This technique of separation is known as separating funnel mixture. So this is a totally homemade process by myself. So hope you guys enjoy this session. Now it's almost water transferred. Now I had stopped. Here I have the oil, the remaining oil in this bottle, and the clear water in this glass. This is called the distillation process. In this process, we require a ground bottom flask, condenser, thermometer and conical. By this process, seawater can convert it into distilled water. In a pure form, we are getting the distilled water in the conical. So this is the process how the vapor converted to liquid again by this condenser. So hope all of you guys enjoyed this session number 5, episode 5, and Science is Fun series. I will come again with my new video on the next week. Stay tuned till then. Please stay safe and be healthy. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and you can send your queries, your suggestions and best wishes to my Instagram account. You can direct message me. You can send me the comments in the comment section below. I will definitely try to give you the answers of your questions. Thank you so much. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook page and also in the YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.